Class, we will begin our exam in 20 minutes.
Can I use the bathroom before the exam starts?
Sure, Class Caillou, just be back before the exam starts.
I am going to pull the fire alarm to skip the exams since I did not study. So, I am going to pull the fire alarm so that I can skip the examination.
Oh, hey there Classic Caillou. Where are you going?
Oh, hey there Principal, I am just going to the restroom.
Oh okay. Anyways, good luck on the examination.
Okay, now it's my chance. Oh, crap.
Liz, Martin, what is going on?
I don't know. Maybe there is a fire drill.
Good morning everyone. It seems that there is no fire. Somebody in the school must have pulled the fire alarm.
Caillou, where is your brother?
I have no idea.
Calling the attention of Caillou Anderson to report to my office right now.
Yes, Principal.
Have a seat please. Well, I checked on my CCTV cameras and saw your brother, Classic Caillou, pull the fire alarm.
Sir, I have no idea where he is. He told Ms. Martin that he was going to the bathroom and did not come back until now.
Okay, so apparently, he escaped from the school after it happened. If you're asking how I found out that he escaped after he pulled the fire alarm, I also caught in my CCTV cameras.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe that it was him who did it. Thanks for telling me, sir.
No problem, Caillou. Anyways, you're free to go.
Okay, sir, thanks.
It is more fun to stay home and play with my computer, rather than taking my exam.
Classic Caillou, Classic Caillou, Classic Caillou. Get over here right now.
Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm in school to skip the exam?
You are lucky that you did not get expelled. And also you could have gotten arrested for pulling the fire alarm was a joke.
That's it. You are grounded for 4 weeks. Go upstairs to your room right now, and think about on what you did.